Hi, I'm Geraldine Curran, and today I'm going to be introducing you to Healthy Life at Zaiqa World. This is a Healthy Life program coming to you straight into the heart of your home. And what we're going to be doing each week is giving you nutritional tips. I am a nutritionist. I've been a nutritionist for 10 years, and I'm going to be giving you nutritional tips on different fruits, vegetables, and healthy lifestyle tips that you can actually keep. Today we're going to be doing a superpower green juice, and what this is all about is giving you lots and lots of energy. So firstly we've got some spinach, a couple of handfuls of spinach in this recipe. Spinach is really good vitamin C, and it gives you lots and lots of energy, so lots of fibre as well, so spinach is in this. We've also got some carrots. You'll notice that I don't peel the carrots. A lot of the nutrients in the carrots, certainly beta carotene, are held just under the skin, so for this juice we're not actually going to peel the carrots, we're just going to juice them straight through. We're also going to have half of a cucumber, and we're also going to have some celery. Now celery is one that sometimes a lot of people don't keep in their diet, so this is going to be a great one to keep the celery in. We're also going to have a lemon. We're going to put in a lemon, and we're going to keep the pith because the white pith has lots and lots of nutrients in it. So if you're looking at vitamins, you're looking at minerals, then this is the healthy juice for you. We actually burn vitamins and minerals. That's basically what we do. So powering yourself up with a superpower green juice first thing in the morning would be an absolutely fantastic thing to do. So this juice will make enough juice for 2 to 3 people. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our carrots. Now, carrots again are a really good source of beta carotene, and that's really good for the eyes, really good for the skin, also really good for the hair. So beta carotene is an antioxidant that really should be included in your diet. So we're going to start by juicing those first. I'll turn the juicer on. And it's so simple, you literally just get the carrot whole and just pass it through the juicer. And you'll see the juice coming out at the end, and the pith will be coming out of the carrot. Now I will be telling you what we can do with the pith a bit later, because nothing goes to waste in this show. But basically you can see that lovely carrot juice coming through, and I've got a little bit of a strainer to actually take away any more of the pith that gets in there. The whole reason for taking the sap out is so that you just get the vitamins and minerals. This is going to be like your daily vitamin pill. If you juice every single day, then that's exactly what it's like. It's like having a daily vitamin pill. You will not need a vitamin pill if you take the time to juice every day. Generally, you need about 5 to 7 minutes in the morning to juice. You can juice anytime. It's better off if you juice on an empty stomach. The reason for this is so that all of the nutrients go straight into the bloodstream, so you don't have to worry about any form of digestion beforehand. So you need an empty stomach, so first thing in the morning is absolutely ideal to juice. So I'm going to carry on juicing now. I'm going to put the second carrot in, and again you'll notice that it's not peeled, and that what we're doing is taking the sap out, and we have got lots and lots of vitamins and minerals. I have a plunger with my Omega juicer, so that's basically what we're going to be doing. Okay, so that's our carrots done. So the next thing we're going to do is our celery. Now celery is a really good fibre. It also is really good for vitamin C. Anything that's a green vegetable is very good for vitamin C. It's a non-starchy vegetable, it's grown above the ground, and so we're actually going to put it in. And it's one of those things that not a lot of people like, but when you juice it, you will actually see that celery tastes really nice, which is probably a reason why I'm going to put the apples in. So if you have a bit of a sweet tooth, then you're much better off just having just the celery. So let's put that through. So our next vegetable is going to be some cucumber. Now cucumber, we're only going to actually put in half the cucumber, and you will see that cucumber is mainly water based, very high in vitamin C. Again, it is another source of fibre, so a very, very good source of fibre. We're going to cut it into strips because it's a lot easier to juice. And again, I don't take the skin off. Everything here has been lovely and washed before we've done this, so you need to make sure that you wash everything. And now we're going to run it through the juicer. Excellent. So you'll see it's quite high water base, so there won't be a lot of residue from this. We're actually taking out a lot of the sugars when we take out the sap, and there's lots of things that we can do with this later, so never find that you have to throw away. I mean, you can put it in the compost, but you can actually give it, if you have an animal, you can mix it in with their food. If you're making any cakes, you can mix it in with the cakes. So nothing has to be thrown away here. The next thing that we're going to put in is green apples. Now, I have gone for Granny Smith's here. What I really like about these is they have pectin, and pectin is a really, really good source of antioxidant as well. Really good source of fibre. So we get our apples and we're going to chop them in half, and you'll see that everything will go in. Because the sap's coming out, I'm not necessarily going to take anything out, but the apples will be cut into 4, just quite simply so that they can fit through the juicer. If you have a different juicer where you can put them in whole, but for my juicer we have to cut this up. My juicer is an Amiga juicer. We're nearly there. I'm just cutting up the last half. Okay, so I'm just going to run them through the juicer now. And again, you'll find that these go through very, very easily, and the sap's going to come out at the end. With some of them I might have to cut them a bit smaller just to make it easier to go through. Everything's going in, and this superpower green juice can be drunk anytime, but like I've said, it really is best on an empty stomach so that you get all the nutrients, all the vitamins and all the minerals going straight in to your bloodstream. This is the reason for doing this, and it's like a vitamin pill. That's basically what we want. So we're just putting the apple in. Apple brings quite a lot to it. It brings pectin, it also brings vitamin C, and we've got the beta carotene from the carrots. So we're nearly there with the apple. This is excellent. I'm just going to cut it up a bit smaller just to get it through the juicer. Brilliant. So we're just going to run that through. Okay, let's put this through. So we've got quite a lot of green in here, and it's always good to remember that this superpower green juice is absolutely excellent, with packed full of vitamins and minerals to give you energy all day, and it really is a superpower. It really will make you feel good all day. Okay, we're nearly there. So now we've got some spinach. Spinach again is a really, really good source of fibre, really good source of vitamin C, really good source of vitamin A, really good source of vitamin E. So we're just going to put in a couple of handfuls of spinach. Just push that down. So really good source of vitamin E, and it also has minerals. So lots and lots of minerals in there. You're going to get some iron in there as well. So this superpowered green juice is really going to pack things out for the whole day. And if you take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, then it's going to really power you up all day. Right, that's enough spinach. So we're only going to take half of the lemon, and again, you're going to have the pith because that's where lots of the vitamin C is. And so we're just going to push it through. Excellent, we're just going to push it through. So we have carrots, we have celery, we have apple, we have spinach, we have lemon, and we have cucumber. And that is your superpower green juice. So all that's left for me to do now is actually serve it . There we go. Delicious. Super Power green juice will power you all day through.